No, they have a grievance redressal system.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is that?
A grievance redressal system.
ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଘରେ ଶୁଣିବା ଗ୍ରିଭାନ୍ସ ଶୁଣିବା.
Yes, sir. It is about getting the wrong practices going on in an organization, so that organization can improve and give better service delivery to the people.
You get 1,000 letters a day, grievance petitions.
Yes, yes.
How will you go about addressing it?
So if there is 1,000 letters, then
1,000 টাকা চিঠি ନେଇକି ଘରକୁ ପଳେଇବ,
yes.
ଘରେ ବସି ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ପଢିବ.
No,
How will you address it? Again tomorrow another 1,000.
Then sir,
So today's 1,000 has to be sorted out.
There must be some gradation according to their the risk, according to the level of seriousness of the grievance, so that we can make better, faster decision making in the serious grievances. Then we can go on to the less serious grievances. So, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why Puri is famous?
Puri is famous for temples like Jagannath Temple and Konark Temple and its festivals.
Konark is not in Puri.
Yes, sir. It is coming in Puri district and.
How can you say like that? When you are asked Puri, I will take entire Odisha into that. Puri, why Puri is famous? You must tell about Puri. Puri is famous for Jagannath Temple.
Yes.
What else?
Ratha Yatra, the festival Ratha Yatra.
You just remove your mask.
Yes, sir.
So be comfortable.
Yes, sir.
Speak very clearly,
Yes.
distinctly.
Yes.
Why? What else?
It is because of the world famous car festival Ratha Yatra and the festivals of Jagannath like the Sunabesha and Snana Purnima, etc.
You are concentrating on Jagannath only. No other thing.
It is because of beach and the Golden Beach, which is now recently got blue flag certification.
गोल्डन बीच ताको कहना दे ब्लू फ्लैग बोली कुछ ना.
Yes, sir. Golden Beach, it is called. Actually, government gave the name Golden Beach, then it got the blue flag certification.
What other things are Puri famous for?
Puri famous.
No Matha.
Yes, mathas and
So many
monasteries.
mathas are there, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the mathas?
They are like Ebar Matha, Odia Matha, then Radhakant Matha. Then there are a number of mathas.
Recently, Puri is going to be the tourist destination.
Yes.
Tourists will plunge in that particular Puri town, Puri city. What is the mode of their journey? Government is thinking of starting a what?
Government mainly trying to implement the Abada scheme. Then government is trying to establish a new airport at Puri.
Yes,
and
airport at Puri.
New airport at Puri, so that
But Shankaracharya is opposing to this. Will you support this views or you will oppose it?
actually, sir,
Opposing it to this for establishment of the airport.
he may I don't know why Shankaracharya is opposing, but I think airport is not needed now because
You
the
already 50 kilometers away, another
Bhubaneswar.
airport and country.
yes, sir.
States, this capital airport is available.
Yes, sir. There need to be more good roads connected to Puri so that
So you don't require airport.
and
Do you require airport or you don't require airport?
actually we have many other major issues and the airport in Puri is not that much importance.
Achha. What other things? Abada Yojana, what is that Abada scheme?
Avada scheme is all about improving the basic amenities and development of the heritage area in the Puri city so that it can be turned into a world heritage city.
So what? What is the gain
So
of the
it-
general public?
Yes, sir. So it will increase the tourism in the Puri city and it will give more of
So you want to kill my 1 hour, 2 hours on the road,
yes, sir.
and you want me to come to Puri.
No, no, sir. With a better road and with good railway connections, so we can minimize
Again,
the.
railway is faster or train, aircraft is faster.
Obviously, aircraft.
I am
is fast.
talking of time,
Yes, sir. Aircraft is
talking of
fast.
international tourists.
Yes, sir. Aircraft is faster, but
You want your GDP again depends on that. Your tourism development again depends on that, and
Yes.
that will greatly benefit the general public. Socioeconomic status, employment.
Ancillary.
ତମକୁ କହିବ ସେଠି ଓହ୍ଲେଇକି 2 ଘଣ୍ଟା ବାଟରେ ଆସ।
What is this Pattachitra in which village?
Pattachitra is a type of cloth painting which is
Where is it?
Raghurajpur village. It is famous in Raghurajpur village and near
What is
Chand.
that Pattachitra?
It is a type of cloth painting which is done on a hereditary basis and for a starting from 5th, 6th century BC to up to now, and it is famous for its
What else?
quality.
Coconut.
Yes, coir industry.
Puri is not famous for coconut.
Yes, yes, coconut is.
Is also what? So when we give you answer, yes. Why you say me that? You tell 3, 4, 5 points for which Puri is famous. What is Golden Triangle?
Golden Triangle, Puri, Konark, and Bhubaneswar. It is together called as Golden Triangle.
Who has built Limraj temple?
Jajati Keshari of Somavanshi rule, he has built Lingaraj temple.
Puri temple?
Puri temple, Ananga Bhima Chodaganga Deva of Eastern Ganga dynasty.
True.
Yes, he started the then ended after some.
What is Joydev's Git Govind?
I can get it.
Joydev,
Yes.
Gita Govind. What is that? Gita Govind.
Gita Govind mainly based on the Krishna tradition, which is ultimately Krishna is Jagannath is a form of the Krishna tradition. So Jayadeva was mainly associated with Jagannath cult, and Gita Govind so associated with Jagannath.
You concentrate on both things.
ଖେଚେଡ଼ି କରିଦେଉଛି ତାକୁ ଅଧାରେ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଉଛି ପୁଣି ଅଧାରେ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଉଛି।
As sir has already asked you regarding Puri projects, Honorable CM has announced very recently 500 crores for 3 projects in Puri. What are those 3 projects?
3 projects in Puri, 500.
Jagannath Vallabh,
Actually, I don't
Jagannath
know.
Vallabh Pilgrim Center,
Yes,
number
sir.
1. Number 2, multi-level car parking. Number 2, 400 cars will be parked there, multi-level at a time. Number 3, you have not gone through that, no?
No, sir.
Very recently, Honorable CM
Yes,
has
sir.
announced 500 crores for that.
I have seen that
Housing project for the
Sabha.
people, those who have been evicted for this temple beautification program. These are the 3 projects have been announced. What about road communication? A new project has already been launched by the government. It is on process now.
It is a Sri Setu project which
Sri
is
Setu project.
going on for the road connection.
You tell me, as an administrative officer,
Yes.
you are inside a temple premises, and all priests, they have gone on strike for a certain issue with a local young man. The young man has misbehaved the local priest, and he has went away. All the priest has cordoned you. You are confined inside the temple. You are not allowed to move. As an administrative officer, you are supported by a handful of police officers, those who are present with you.
Yes.
What will be your role?
First, sir, it would be
Whether I'm giving option,
yes, sir.
whether you want to go out of the temple first, or you want to make them convince, make them understood. You can pacify the agitation, you can cool them down, then will come. It is already 12 midnight. The whole day you are there.
So, as an administrator, it is my important duty to pacify the situation first, then to go get out of the temple.
The last tip I have given, that it is 12 midnight. That means I wanted to give you that situation that for the whole day you are there inside the temple. You are
Yes.
unable to come out.
Whatever may be the issue, but as an administrator, it is the duty to
Bring normal.
bring normalcy to the temple administration and temple situation. So first, we need to talk to the priests and then pacify the situation. Then come out of the temple.
Will it not pass duty to take the person, the arrest the
Yes.
accused first?
Yes, sir.
Because that is the demand. For the whole
Yes,
day
sir.
they have been demanding that the person should be arrested.
Yes, sir. The person. That yes, sir. The person should be arrested because he has misbehaved.
Without taking action against the person accused, we cannot pacify that.
Yes, sir. It should be arrested because prima facie he has done something wrong, so he should be arrested.
Absolutely, you forgot that you are an administrative officer of the state. You have been guided by a complete government machinery. You forgot to tell me that you could have communicated to your authorities for the taking action against the people, because you are inside temple. It's not a question that you have to come out or you have to take action. You have to pacify. You cannot handle. The situation is given that you are unable to handle the situation.
Yes, sir.
So that means you are in a machinery, no? So the whole government is backing you.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So with the permission of the authority, when you forget that you are not going to intimate your authorities and take the help of other agencies, those are in place.
But
That should be a right way
Yes, sir.
of answering this question,
yes,
because you are a branch of government. You are
yes, sir.
you are not an individual.
Yes, sir.
You are a system.
But sir, if I am in temple, I don't have that communication to higher authority.
Not be carrying your mobile with you.
If the yes,
Officers are allowed.
if the communication available, then
You are in normal situation. You are allowed to handle mobile.
yes, sir.
Even I have already given you another tips that you are with handful of police personnel.
Yes,
You can use the police administration and communication system they are using.
yes.
That because the moment a administrative officer is there, he can be exercising his power as executive magistrate.
Yes,
Executive magistrate is always the head of the force.
yes, yes, sir.
In Odisha, do you remember any incident where OS officer in the rank of Tahsildar and additional Tahsildars they have been beaten up by the mines and mines mafias.
Yes,
Do you remember some incidents?
yes, I am aware of it, but I don't remember the names.
Any incident, forget about the incident.
Yes, sir.
Suppose such thing has happened,
Yes, sir.
what will be your action?
Uh, what I can get the
You are with police force,
yes, sir.
you have been manhandled
Yes, sir.
while arresting a person who is illegally doing mining activities.
Yes, sir.
That you can do.
Yes, sir.
As per the Act and the legal provision, executive master can enter, search, arrest, and do the legal action. In those cases, in many cases, we have seen in a different part of the India,
Yes, sir.
the subordinate stage, the Tahsildar, additional Tahsildar, sub-collector, they have
Yes.
been manhandled.
Man.
Even at times, they have been killed.
Yes. So, sir, first thing it is to whatever purpose I have with whatever purpose I have gone there, I should try to first make that purpose in reality. Then who have manhandled or who have taken law in their hand, because as I am a government servant, so they should not behave like that. So we can then proceed some legal proceedings against them after that, and there should not be any physical fighting situation or something like that. In that situation, the process should be followed, and the higher authorities also should be informed about all that.
In both the cases, I have put different situations. One case, you are confined in a temple. Another case, you are manhandled.
Yes, sir.
When the question of manhandling, physical assault has come, you will first ensure that you and your team should be come out of the safety,
Yes,
come out of a safety zone. Then you can take action.
yes, sir.
Personal safety is much more important here in the second incident. But in the first incident, personal safety is not important there because your safety is not challenged.
Yes, sir.
Could you get me? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Is your attacker?